Right, there we go. Act 2.
Hi, this is Jetso's Food Kitchen. We got a whole bunch of barbecue things to do again, and let's just go at it. Oh, move the beer off to the side. So first we got corn. We're going to just sort of shuck some corn here. Nice, fresh, local corn. I don't know if it's local. There for now. Alright, that looks nice. We're going to do some bacon wrapped corn and some bacon wrapped chicken and maybe a pepper and a little bit of eggplant. I'm just prepping our little barbecued meal tonight. A lot of times you have to do at least a half an hour of prep before you can actually sit down and start cooking things. Get all that hair off there. Nice, look at that, cream, peaches and cream. That's nice corn. I'm just going to put one piece of bacon around each one of those. Okay, this can go into... Alright, so now, we'll do the statue. Just, the eggplant, barbecued eggplant, we're going to leave it in big pieces. Like that, chop off either end, and then just do it in like 1-inch piece. Easy to flip.
Easy.
You can always make a soup out of the leftovers. Just move that off to the side here. Okay, let's try, we'll leave the peppers to the end. Let's try this bacon wrapped chicken. Very easy thing to do. I buy chicken thighs or chicken legs, and this will be more than for tonight, so I'll freeze some of it for the next meal. Bacon, what do we got? Schneider's. Stick one piece of bacon. Start at the bottom. Wrap it around, and I put it in the fridge for, I don't know, half an hour, just so it kind of sticks to the leg. Start at the bottom. How hungry are you? How many legs can you eat, buddy?
Too many.
How many? 4, 5?
Yeah.
We'll just freeze the rest, whatever's left over. That's 4. What? I like at least 3 each, or 3 for myself. One of my favorite meals. The trick is to put it in the fridge and sort of let it sort of, otherwise it'll just fall off when you put it on the barbecue.
The trick.
Yeah, just a little cellophane. So what do we got there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Lucky number 7. And that one goes away.
good luck. Where?
Hold on. Let's just do two pieces like that. Come on, ball. Wasps out. They're hungry just like everybody else.
Hungry ghost.
I don't know. I think this bacon wrap corn is not going to work out here. It's going to fall off and just go on the barbecue. Toothpicks. Maybe we'll chill those. Everything, chill it all for a bit. That can just stay there. Put this in the fridge. Okay, so our bacon wrap corn and chicken is ready to go. I think I need some. I've got toothpicks.
I am a toothpick.
Okay, so now we're gonna do some roast potato. Put this in the oven at about 350 for 30 minutes. And it's just going to be oil, salt, and potatoes. Hang on here and get the bag open.
Can get open. I'm gonna zoom.
This meal tonight was about, again, 10-15 bucks. How many potatoes you want, Scotty?
Oh, 9.
That's enough.
9. I take 9.
Cut them in half.
Oh.
Look at the wasps are out, eh?
Oh, you get a beer?
Got food out like...
A bee guy.
Yeah, watch out.
It's some honey.
Well, we'll pack everything away and
Yeah.
come out with the second part of...
Part 2.
Anyway, I've done these roast potatoes tons of times. Oh, I might even do... I don't know. Look at that, there's a whole swarm of them.
Swarm.
Okay, quick. Okay, let's get this
Running high.
out of here.
The bees are coming.
So I'm just going to put a little bit of my leftover oil from one of my deep frying episodes. Salt. Be generous with the salt. You just sort of mix them around, get them all coated in the oil. I'll put these in the oven at 350. I'll pretty well put these on at the same time as the chicken. Okay, let's pack all this stuff away and... Oh, the door's closed. Hey, can you get the door or what?
Oh yeah, right away.
Oh.
Part 2. Part 2.
Pan out. Hey, cut to Jethro's cooking channel. We're going to do bacon wrap corn, bacon wrap chicken. We put a few toothpicks on it just to hold it, the corn and the bacon together. And I'm going to leave the lid open just because we might get flames. Oh, that's right too, we need some room here. We also have some eggplant with a little bit of salt and pepper on it. Fill up the barbecue. So we're just going to let that cook for a little while. Got flare-ups already. Turn it up a little bit. Where's my beer?
Shan't be far.
The beer can't be far away from the barbecue.
Oh, the Q.
What we'll do is we'll just, I don't want to cover it because the bacon will flare up, and I'm just
gonna look at it.
I'm just gonna let it cook on pretty high heat. Pretty high heat, and I got my spray bottle here with some water and we'll take it off in stages. If you cover that right now, it would be burn-a-rama, and the chicken would be cooked. So we want to sort of just we're gonna put it on high heat, and we're gonna just open flame it.
You say just. What's just? just wait. See what happens.
Alani Pavillon.
Omana Pavillon.
Alani Pavillon. The Hornet.
Yeah, the Green Hornet.
Well, we got some incense burning. Okay, cut, take one. Yeah, because it'll take a while.
Oh, yeah, right away.